Hello, welcome back to St Ive's. Yes, we've arrived in St Ive's harbour spot, so you can see the harbour. So plenty of sandy beach there, good for families and friends. And you've got a row of shops on the other side, just across it. And you have residents as well, living in St Ive's. It's a beautiful spot for families and friends. It's a lovely sunny day again today, around 27 degrees centigrade. It's a great place to be out and about with families and friends. And it's all the way from the beach to here. You can see there are a row of shops. So it's a beautiful lane. As you can see, the harbour, and there's a small lighthouse I mentioned about earlier, and there's a St Ive's lifeboat station here, so if you're in trouble at some point, you've gone too far in the sea, you are protected. Okay.